In today's video, I will teach you how to turn a photo into a collage of Polaroids in GIMP. Let's get started. Creating a collage of Polaroids in GIMP can add a fun and nostalgic touch to your photos. Let's break down the process step by step. First, go to File, then Open, or simply press Ctrl-O to open your desired image in GIMP. Now right-click on the image layer and select Add Alpha Channel to enable transparency. Now, go to Layer, then New Layer, or simply press Shift-Ctrl-N to create a new transparent layer. Now select the Rectangle tool and draw a rectangle on the canvas for the Polaroid frame. Now fill the selected area with a white color. You can do this by going to Edit, then fill with the background color. Then click the selection to create the inner black border of the Polaroid frame. Then fill the shrunken selection with black color. Then go to Tools, Transform Tools, then Rotate to rotate the Polaroid frame to your desired angle. Then use the Move tool to adjust the position of the Polaroid frame on the canvas. Then duplicate the Polaroid frame layer as many times as needed for your collage. You can do this by going to Layer, then Duplicate Layer, or simply press Shift-Ctrl-D. Now, duplicate the image layer to match the number of Polaroid frames in your collage. Then use the Select by Color tool to select the transparent area inside the Polaroid frame. Then delete the selected area on the duplicated image layer by going to Edit, then Clear. Now, toggle the visibility of the images layer by clicking on the eye icon. Then delete the selected area on the Polaroid frame layer. Then merge the duplicated image layer with the corresponding Polaroid frame layer. You can do this by going to Layer, then Merge Down. Now, make sure there's no active selection, so go to Select, then None. And now, you can add a drop shadow effect to each Polaroid frame by going to Filters, Light and Shadow, then Drop Shadow. Then adjust the settings as desired. Now repeat the process for each Polaroid frame in your collage. And fill it with your desired color or pattern using the Bucket Fill tool. And finally, save your collage by going to File, then Save. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.